Okay, so once you log into Zoho Learn, you will actually see something like this, and you can see what all activities someone has done or you have done. So basically, you have to go to Spaces, and in the Spaces, you will see different departments, and then whichever department you are interested in. So for example, you want to learn about marketing team, you go to that department, and you will see a lot of different manuals in that. So manual is more like a folder. So in a folder, you will have articles regarding that folder. So let me show you over here. So if for example, if I go to HR, and so I can see that there are these different folders. One is about HR function, one is about payroll software, one is about how to make training videos, and you can see over here it says it has 4 articles. So if you click on it, then you can actually go and see the article. And if you want to see the article, you just go full screen, and you can go down, and generally most articles will have a video. So click on the video and the video will play, and you will be able to understand what to do. Okay, that's it. If you want to search for a particular topic, you can do it like this also, where you go to the top and just search for the topic. So for example, I want to search about uh, reconciliation. So the moment I typed, it came over here, bank reconciliation reports. So you click on it, and you can see that there is another training video over here. That's how it works. Have a great day.